Hey, my name is Michael Guerra. This is my wife, Sonia. We're the owners of our new Lexus GX550. We heard about extreme detail through my friend Mike Orta, who works here. Man, we've seen some of the vehicles they've done and just amazing. I mean, I've never seen a place that can make a brand new vehicle look better than it does on the showroom at the car lot. We got this new vehicle. We wanted this one protected. Really wanted to make sure that we can keep it for a long time, but that it looks good like the day we bought it. And I think that's what doing the PPF protection is gonna do for this car. And it's definitely gonna keep it protected. We've got the window protection on the outside. We've got the UV tint on the inside, which makes the car so much cooler just in the hot Southeast Texas weather. A love bug season around. I mean, cars can get so damaged, so hot, it's just terrible, but so glad that we brought it here.
Hello guys.
Ooh,
Hey.
What's going on?
It looks awesome.
You guys look great today.
Thank
New
you.
car,
I
man.
love it.
I bet you went to the gym already. Thank you so much. I
It
know.
looks awesome.
Hey, thank you so much for that opportunity, guys.
Thank
Bring
you.
it here every day, man.
Every day, no, we don't need it every day. The reason why we do this is for you not to do it every day. I know you like it. I know you
with
wanted
the
it.
tuxedo. That looks awesome.
I know you guys wanted it since day one. I know last minute decision, but I think it looks incredible.
I absolutely love the Tuxedo Wrap. The car is just overall sexy, just shiny like glass. I love it.
That disassembling of the roof was a little bit crushing, but it was okay. It doesn't matter, we make it happen. Full body PPF on the sizes, the hood, the fenders, Tuxedo Wrap, front windshield protection, also front windshield, window tint, and all window ceramic tint around, including the sunroofs. So you guys have, you know, the max protection on a vehicle that should last you forever.
Such a relief to know that your car is protected. And like you said, with the second largest investment outside of your home, I mean, why would you not want to do whatever you can to make sure that investment's protected? So we're so glad for Luis, and we're so glad for Extreme Detail. I mean, man, they did an amazing job. We couldn't be more excited. The car looks amazing, excited to get it back out on the road. And man, I don't know if it'll ever look this good or if I can wash it like this again, but if not, I'll bring it back here because they also wash cars. So. Yeah.